Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we are going to dive into the intriguing world of reverse engineering. Unveil the secrets behind the method that's driving innovation in numerous industries, from software development to mechanical design. Let's delve into the practical insights, potential pitfalls, and exciting possibilities of reverse engineering. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the basics of reverse engineering. Reverse engineering is the process of dissecting, examining, and understanding the workings of a system, device, or program in detail. It involves unraveling the components and operations of a system to replicate or improve upon it. 2. The role of reverse engineering in technology development. Reverse engineering forms the backbone of innovation and technological advancement. It facilitates product improvement, vulnerability detection, and the development of compatible systems. This process is integral to driving progress and competitiveness in the tech industry. 3. Key techniques and tools in reverse engineering. Various techniques and tools aid the reverse engineering process. Techniques include static and dynamic analysis, while tools range from disassemblers and debuggers to 3D scanners and CAD software. Understanding these elements is vital for successful reverse engineering. 4. The process, steps involved in reverse engineering. The reverse engineering process typically involves identification, analysis, understanding, and reproduction steps. These stages ensure a thorough and systematic understanding of the system under review. 5. Reverse engineering in software, a detailed overview. In software development, reverse engineering is used to analyze code, understand algorithms, detect vulnerabilities, and ensure interoperability. It's crucial in software debugging, upgrading, and protection. 6. Ethical and legal implications of reverse engineering. While reverse engineering is technologically beneficial, ethical and legal concerns cannot be ignored. Issues such as copyright infringement, violation of patents, and breach of terms of service need to be rigorously addressed to ensure ethical practices. 7. The impact of reverse engineering on cybersecurity. Reverse engineering plays a critical role in bolstering cybersecurity. By analyzing and understanding threats, malware and vulnerabilities can be detected and mitigated, enhancing the overall security posture. 8. Case study, successful applications of reverse engineering. From enhancing software compatibility to improving mechanical designs, reverse engineering has numerous successful applications in various industries. Recreating historical artifacts, restoring classic cars, improving consumer electronics, and medical and bioengineering fields. These case studies underscore its importance in technological advancement. 9. Reverse engineering in mechanical and aerospace industries. In mechanical and aerospace industries, reverse engineering is employed to improve designs, replicate legacy parts, and understand competitor products. The benefits are manifold, from cost reductions to increasing efficiency and reliability. 10. The future of reverse engineering, trends and predictions. As technology continues to evolve, so will the techniques and applications of reverse engineering. With the advent of AI, machine learning, and advanced robotics, the future of reverse engineering looks promising and exciting. In conclusion, reverse engineering is a critical process that involves disassembling a product or system to understand its design, structure, and functionality. Despite the controversy surrounding it in terms of potential infringement of intellectual property, it remains an essential tool in technological advancements. It fosters innovation and development, aids in enhancing system security, and also assists in quality improvements. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more informational content.